Hi, grade 5 students. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine in this fasting month during Ramadan. Today's topic is drawing cubes and cuboids. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to draw a cube and a cuboid on an isometric grid or dot paper, and then complete a partially drawn cube and cuboid on an isometric grid or dot paper. Now open your textbook, page 206. This is lesson 1, drawing cubes and cuboids. Number 1, this is a drawing of a unit cube on dot paper. Look at this, the width 1, the depth 1, the height 1. So this is very simple. Now number 2, when another unit cube is drawn as shown, we get a cuboid. So this one unit plus 1 unit become 2 units of cubes. So you can pile up like this, going up vertically, become a cuboid. Or you can put it side by side, 1 and 2, diagonally to the right, or like this, diagonally to the left, side by side like this. So if you put 2 unit cubes side by side, it will become a cuboid or a kind of rectangular prism like that. A cuboid is a rectangular solid. Next, textbook page 207. These are drawings of other cubes and cuboids. Now let's count the units. Look at this. This cube has 1, 2. The width is 2 units, and the depth 1, 2, 2 units, and the height also 2, 1, 2. And how about this one? This cube, the width is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the unit is 4 unit, and the depth 1, 2, 3, 4. And also the height is the same 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the conclusion, divided the cube, the width, the height, and the depth should be the same, the unit. Like this, 2, 2, 2, this one, 4, 4, 4. How about this cuboids, this rectangular prism? The width is 1, 2. The depth is 1, 2. The same, the width and the depth. However, the height is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the width 2 units, the depth 2 units, and the height is 5 units. How about this one? This cuboid, the width is 1, 2. However, the depth is different, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the height is the same, 1, 2. Okay, so the unit is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, like that. So later you have to be able to draw like this. Don't forget, you should draw by using a ruler so that the picture is nice like this and very neat. Now next, open your textbook page 208. Okay, complete the drawing of each cube or cuboid. So the picture is providing this picture, but you have to complete this. Okay, the width 1, 2. The height 1, 2, 3, 4. But you don't have the depth. The depth, there is no information, so you have to make it the same. Then in here 1, 2, 3. So you have to follow 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to draw from here to here and from here to here. Okay, this is the result like that. So you have to draw like this at the end by using a ruler. How about this one? Picture B. Okay, so let's see the height first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is no information the width in here, so you just follow this one. Then 1, 2, 3. So you have to draw 1, 2, 3. Draw a line from here to here. and then follow this one, 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 and stop. You draw a line until here and draw a line again from here to here, 1 2 3, like that. The result will be like this. Okay, so you follow uh, the unit from top of it. There is the information. This is the height, this is the width, and this is the depth. Follow it. Okay, use the ruler to draw it. Do not use free hands. Okay, next. Open your workbook, page 178. Drawing cubes and cuboids. Number 1, draw a unit of cube on the dot paper below. I think you just follow the example in the previous example on the textbook. So you have to draw, if it is 1 unit, 1, the width, depth 1, and then the height also 1, like this. Okay, just like the example on the previous page in the textbook. You can see it in your textbook. Next, number 2, draw 2 different views of a cuboid made up of 2 unit cubes on the dot paper below. Okay, so you can pile it up, these 2 cubes, or you can put it side by side like this. This is piling up 2 cubes, and this one you put it side by side like this. Don't forget to draw it by using a ruler. Do not use it by using a freehand because it will be messy and not neat. Use a ruler, okay? Next. Now, text workbook, page 179, number 4. Draw these cubes or cuboids on the dot paper provided. Look at this, picture 8. Now let's count the unit. The width 1, the depth 1, 2, 3, 4, the height 1. So you just throw in here. The width 1, the depth 1, 2, 3, 4, the height 1. The drawing will be like this. Follow the example like that. Put in here. Use a ruler to draw it. Now part B, this is a kind of cubes. Part A is a kind of cuboid. Now draw the cube in part B. Let's measure the width. 1 2 3. You draw in here. 1 2 3, and then the width also 3, right? If it is cube, should be the same, 1 2 3, and the height also the same, 1 2 3. So you put in here. Okay, then I start in here, 1 2 3, and then the depth 1 2 3, and the height 1 2 3, like that. The picture should be like this. Okay, don't forget to use a ruler to draw these pictures. Now do these assignments from your workbook, page 178 and 179. Please use a ruler to draw number 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4 A B C D. And then if you have drawn them, please submit it to me. Yeah. Okay, now do this assignment. Please use a ruler to draw and write down your name and class on top of the right corner so that I know that is yours. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.